Kun, being the one person ohambile, as well as who else went as well, Usbi as well.
Yeah, Usbi is special leave. Effectively, they are suspended.
Exactly.
They think all of us basenhlwathi. Noma safunda komntana enduna school. We are not from them, man. And we see a reason that now we went to the best schools in
well.
Africa. Yeah, Umkhunu is effectively suspended.
Yes,
that's the equivalent to a special leave. Yeah.
So now we're seeing these arrests.
Yeah.
Mushrooming again.
Yeah, they are trying to save face because all along the evidence was there and they were not willing to act. Yeah, up until Umkhwanazi came and say, the information nginikisizwe manje.
Yes. Without following the protocol.
Have you noticed it? All the criminals that Umkhwanazi implicated, ayikeke amisenkantolo.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
All the criminals implicated. What these criminals have done, they've decided to insult him. Yeah. Yeah.
So,
and then also look at the type of people that have been insulting Umkhwanazi.
Yeah.
It's either they are corrupt or they have the potential to commit corruption. Yeah.
And now I saw people saying Guti after the 6th of July, that was a press conference, and Bebeti saying that Umkhwanazi ngalokho ebuyile nje nama press conferences wakhe kunonga okusazovela. And one name that has been trending, abantu beyibuza ukuthi ubheka icele why engaveli la
kanti nje ubheka icele news 24
noma unebhadi nje
news 24 yabhala nje ukuthi wakwahlala emzini kalomgulukudu lo ukhethe mahlala. I still remember nje ukuthi ubheka icele ujima kwenye gym la eDurban North wanyamalala nje isikhathi yabo ngoba nami ngaze ngaya nje ngithi ngifuna ngoba aqala nje ukuthi hey mnyamalala hayi bathawa kodwa ngathi sibuyile inkuzi malanga asazi kusakuningi okusazofela angeke sisho ukuthi usasindile nawo magaya ake silinde ngoba labantu laba ubathabile Dlamini has been proven right all the time. I've been time and again. Bathabile Dlamini wakhuluma ungazi usiyahlanya kwathi udakiwe lapha kaphuzu lapha kaphuzu ngosemahlami akaphuzu mahlami inkosi
yini lento mhlawumbe kuyenzeka abantu becabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe unephuza face kanti indlela oyo
yeah iskin lokho nje sebiyene khona i-medical condition anayo ethile yeah so Bathabile Dlamini wathi all of us in that NEC sinama smallanyana skeletons zethu yeah and she was right and time and again proveka right so asazi umakaya inkosi yami kusa early yabo kusakuningi kwaphela isazohlana umlala mase kuwa commission hayi zizazohlana imlala mase kuwa commission ukhumbule ukuthi ku commission you are protected, you cannot be sued. So people will go there. Kunabantu ababagudluzile einkundleni zabo, kunabantu ababa frustrating, they are aggrieved and they are ready to spill the beans. I've been in touch with the magistrate lona wase Eastern Cape lona who is spilling the beans on the corruption in judiciary as Kimberley in Northern Cape.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and she indicated that she's ready to testify. Our magistrate base Northern Cape, how are they working with criminals and drug lords? So, kusazoshubakela commission, they will wish they didn't.
It never happened. Yes. Just like we heard some stories that there were many people who were against, but allegedly were against this commission because they feel like this commission expose izingqamo ipeshi lohlala obani.
Kodwa nje khona amadoda la kaZulu Natal engazothi ngeke ngasale enye yangala in Midlands ngiyazi ayizofela igama lento
yase Midlands.